Alright, we're here at the shop. We're getting ready to put this Class 5 Hitch receiver thingy on the back of Black Betty. So, I was going to pull it up on the lift, but I'll just let Stevie Boy do it. They do it every day, all day. So they think it might be a little short, so they're going to just get it on there, get it lifted up. Alright, I'll be back. But it came with grade A bolts. So okay, this is the stock Hitch. Take that off. Alright, we got the spare tire off. Now we're getting ready to take the bolts off from the factory. Alright, we got the new Curt Extra Duty HD. 17,000 pounds, 2,550 pounds tongue weight. All new grade A bolts. Got the wiring harness all hooked the fuck up. It's looking good. We're getting ready to torque the bolts. 175 pounds, you say? 175 pounds? Oh, 150. 150 pounds of torque on those nuts. Alright, we're here at the trailer shop. We're getting ready to mount these cable stays for the weight distribution. And then we're going to hook up the sway control. And I'll be on my way. I'll keep checking in. Okay, here's the brackets we made. We had to cut them and add in this little plate right here, weld it in to make them wide enough to fit. We'll get some grade A bolts. I don't think we have any grade A, do we? I think so. Okay, brought the trailer back to the to my storage place, and I've got the truck. Trying to get a picture of the entire thing, or video of the entire thing. I got the weight distribution system. I drove it over here down the highway, and 2 semi trucks passed me. Didn't even feel it. Didn't even feel it. I bought the Curt system with the sway control. Had to do a little modification to the brackets for it to fit the, fit the double width frame. Not sure why they don't sell those, but they look like they're from the factory, don't they? What we had to do was cut them and weld a piece of 2-inch steel, 1/4-inch plate in there, weld it, grind it, paint it, bam. Looks just like it was from the factory. Of course, we used grade A bolts. I decided not to put the this bolt back in, because all it does is cause tension on this, and kind of pulls the whole thing into the aluminum. But this is aluminum. You put a steel bolt in that, all it's going to do is is round out the aluminum. But these bolts, my friend, these bolts are not going anywhere. They are not going to break. They're not going to do anything. And if they did, this set bolt here is not going to do anything. Okay, if these 2 bolts break, we got bigger problems. So I'm not worried about that one right there. All right. Okay. System is simple to use. This will be my first time unhooking it, so I'm going to give it a shot, and I'll let you know how that works out.